girl Devonna Nicole. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I have my Glam bag for the month of September 2024, and I'm going to show you guys what came in my Glam bag. This is a monthly subscription, guys. This is done by IPSY, the IPSY Glam bag. This is a $14 bag a month plus $1.99 shipping and handling, plus taxes based on where you live. But you do get to choose one item out of this subscription every month. And the thing about this one it comes with very smaller size products. Sometimes they do put regular size items in here, but you can get like your makeup, skincare, beauty tools are the normal suspects that we see in this bag. You get a beautiful little bag every month, and this one got me because I remember when I was looking at online, they said your bag ship, and I remember seeing this. And then when I pulled it out of the mailer, I saw this. I was like, did they give me the right bag? And I was like, oh, turn it over. Like, yes, it's the same bag. It is different front and back, which I thought was cute. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get right into what's in my bag for September 2024, guys. So, the first item that I am going to pull out for you guys, I have an Appeal cosmetic product. Woo! So guys, here's our first item. This is a Appeal cosmetic item. We have a Melon Crush Sugar Scrub. So this is valued at $21. And guys, this is actually a body scrub. When I first seen this, when they sent me what was coming in my bag, I thought it was going to be like a lip scrub. I didn't even realize it was a body scrub. So this says, get ready to turn your shower into a tropical paradise with this watermelon scented sugar scrub. So it has everything you need to buff away all the dull, dead skin, leaving you with irresistibly smooth and glowing skin. So I like that. I think it has a safety seal. I probably can't even smell anything. No, it has a safety seal. So yeah, I can't smell nothing outside of the safety seal. So yeah, that's our first item, and this is valued at $21, guys. So our next item, let's pull that out of here. We have a makeup palette. So this is by Pink Lips Cosmetics. They've been in a box before. I haven't seen them in a while though. So this is our item here. This is their Fall Sweet Fall eyeshadow palette. This is valued at $16. This is like a little mini eyeshadow palette, as you guys can see. Let me pop it open and I can give you a better look. So this is the colors that we have, and let me open this up so you can see it better without the glare. So here's our colors here, and it says perfect your soft glam looks, eye looks, with this lineup of 5 autumn inspired shades in shimmers and mattes. These shades are high pigmented powders that are super blendable and beginner friendly, meaning no streaks or harsh lines. Again, this is valued at $16. The colors are definitely autumn inspired. I almost want to say this is a very boring palette to me anyway. Like, I don't know, I feel like we always get a lot of palettes with these kind of colors. I felt like you need a pop of something. Like, I only see this one here is the shimmer. The rest are just mattes. I don't, yeah, I mean this one, oh, this one looks like it may have some shimmer in it, but not a lot. I don't know, it just looks kind of, it's fall, but it's kind of boring to me, but I don't know. I'll see if I want to play with this or not. But yeah, this is their fall look. It's kind of boring to me. That's just my opinion. You guys let me know in the comments what you think, but I think it's kind of boring. So let's go to our next item in here. So the next thing that we have a IPSY product. So we have a IPSY Beauty Eye Defining waterline. So this is valued at $14, guys, and they said this is a, what color is this in? This is eye defining waterline tightening black is what we have. So we have a black color, and it says this is a waterproof eyeliner slim tip that makes lining your eyes a cinch. Plus the intense color payoff, and it lasts all day. We love our long wearing products, and they said this is a gentle formula. So this is how it comes. Let's take a look at the tip here so you guys can see. It does have a pointed tip, And it says it's gentle and ophthalmologist approved, so good for sensitive eyes like mine. So yeah, this is, they just said a define waterline pencil. Is there anything else about this on the box? Not really. So you just will use this, you guys, you know, on your inner line in here, to use to give your eyes more drama, more of an impact. So yeah, let's check out our next item. For what's saying here, we're getting it down to the end now. We have a Shades by Shan product. This is a setting spray. We weren't provided any value for this one because it's probably like a sample size. It's like barely 20 milliliters. Yeah. So this is their setting spray. It says whether you're going out for a night on the town or conquering the day, this setting spray locks you in flawless, and keeps you flawless with a weightless, long-lasting hold. So it keeps your makeup in check, and it hydrates, refreshes, and it leaves you with a radiant, dewy finish. That stays put all day. I love long wearing products. I think that's probably one of the best inventions that they've done over the last couple of years, is all these long wearing makeup products that you could kind of put your makeup on and you look decent looking all day, and you don't have stuff running down your face. So I think, you know, for me personally, that's like one of the best things they made, was these long wearing products. So yeah, I like checking out different setting spray, so I can't wait to try this one. And then we got one more product, guys. So last but not least, we got a little beauty tool. We got ourselves a blending brush. So this is by SL Miss Glam. I do have her brushes and I like them. So this is just a blending brush. It's nice and soft and fluffy. This is valued at $21.50 for this blending brush. And it says the key to nailing flawless, soft, focused finish. This is a blendable brush that gives the ultimate soft and fluffy brushes. That is true. It's very soft. And it makes a cinch to easily apply and diffuse all of your powder products. So yeah, I would say it's very, very soft. But yeah, I have another set of these SNL Miss Glam brushes, and I really do like working with them. So yeah, if you haven't tried them and you got the brush, I really do like these kind of products. They do move things around, but it's super soft and fluffy. So great for blending out your edges and all that kind of stuff. Or, you know, I be using my stuff incorrectly sometime because I be rushing. I just need something and I need to go, but I will probably use this to put on like my blush or something too, because I be rushing. But yeah, guys, so that was my bag for the IPSY Glam bag for September 2024. So we got one beauty tool, we got a body scrub, we have an inner eyeliner for your eyes, we have a satin spray for makeup, and we have our Pink Lips mini eyeshadow palette for the fall. Now, I would say the items I like this body scrub because I just love those. And I like the setting spray. This inner liner one I'm going to have to work with, but yeah, the brush, these three is my favorites. Because these inner liners, sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. But if it's gentle on my eyes, it would make me more inclined to use it. So yeah. So these are my three tops out of this bag here. But yeah, guys, that was it. If you picked up this bag, let me know if you guys got some of the same items as me, or if we got something a little bit different. So guys, that is my bag for September 2024. Thanks for hanging out with me and let me show you what was in my bag. If you enjoy this kind of content, please go ahead and tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. It will let you know when I next post. But guys, until my next video, I'll catch you on the next one. Everybody, get ready for fall. The weather's changing. Bye.